Hey, and welcome to TechFlik. In this video, I'll be going through with you the components that I've chosen and bought for my first build. Of course, all the components did not come from Amazon. I've just reused the brown paper bag because it's convenient. Now this is gonna be my first complete PC build. I'm looking for a mid to high-end kind of PC, so that's why I bought them. And basically I'll be going through with you the motherboard, processor, graphic cards, power supply, and so forth. So guys, this is how I spent 2000-ish Singapore dollars on my first PC build. Firstly, for the processor, I went with the Intel Core i7-8700K Coffee Lake processor that is able to overclock. Of course, with an overclockable processor comes a motherboard that can handle overclocking. I went with the ASUS Prime Z370A. For storage, I went with the Seagate Barracuda 2TB and Samsung 860 EVO 500GB SSD. And for memory, I went with the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 RAM kit. For gaming, I went with the EVGA GTX 1080 Superclocked 8GB GDDR5X. For processor cooling, I went with an all-in-one cooler from ID Cooling, the Frostflow Plus 240 AIO cooler. I've chosen the EVGA Supernova G3 750W for my power supply. Finally, to put all the components into the casing, I went with the NZXT H440 black and red case. So that's it. That's all the components. Next, for subsequent videos, I'll be taking you through my build process and my experience on it. If you like what you see, click the like button. If you love what you see, subscribe and put your comments down below. Thank you for watching. This is TechFlik signing out.